Oh my god, y'all, it feels so much cooler right now. This is our first monsoon rain. I don't know how much monsoon it is, but definitely. Whoa, look at that face. See an eye, nose, and a mouth. Seems like every time we have monsoon season, we get a UFO that flies by. Let's see if we can see one fly by today. Oh god, it feels so cool right now. Oh, it's just so good. Thought I heard thunder earlier too. Oh, there's a puppy dog face right there. Free car wash. Okay, you guys, I gotta go lay down. My back is killing me. Whew. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.